In the previous videos, you have learnt about the prerequisites to learning tenses, the present tense, the past tense, and in this video, you're going to learn about the future tense. Unlike the present and past tenses, the future tense is quite simple to understand. Let us read these examples. Radha will become a storyteller. Misha is going to meet him soon. In the first sentence, will indicates a person's conviction, pursuit, a resolution, or just a plan of action. Whereas in the second sentence, is going to indicates that the speaker or the doer of the action has planned for the future action, has properly planned for the future action. Teena will be sharing her ideas with the team. Nishaanth will be coming here next month. In these sentences, the action, sharing and coming is going to happen in the future. The action that has to take place in the future is being spoken about in progression, and for this we need to add be to will. Now let us understand future perfect tense. I will have completed this project by next March. The scientist will have found a solution to global warming by June this year. In both these sentences, an action in future has already begun in the present or past, and the speaker intends to complete the action by a particular time in future. Therefore, the tense used is future perfect tense. Now that we have understood the functions of tenses, let us just look at the rules for tenses. In order to understand or use simple present tense, we must know that the first form or the base form of the verb is used. Questions are made with do and negative forms are made with do not. In present continuous tense, am, is or are plus present participle is used. In present perfect, has, have and past participle is used. When we use has or have plus been plus past participle, we get the present perfect continuous tense. The simple past tense is formed using the second form of the verb. Did is used in making questions and did not is used to express negation. We can form past progressive tense using was or were with present participle. And past perfect is formed when we use had along with past participle. A sentence can be said to be in the past perfect continuous tense when we use had been plus present participle. In future tense, will is the common modal verb that is used. In simple future, will plus verb is used. Or am or is or are plus going to plus verb is used. A sentence is said to be in the future continuous or progressive tense when we use will be plus present participle. When we use will have and past participle, the sentence is said to be in the future perfect tense. Here are some more examples using the first, second and third persons. I hope these videos on tenses have been helpful. Thank you.